Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to another vlog. Today is a fun shopping vlog. I'm hanging out with my dear friend and we're going to do some shopping, so come along and join us for the day. So we're starting out with lunch at the Neiman Marcus Cafe. I feel like a lot of people don't talk about the Neiman Marcus Cafe, but their food is super delicious. And it's definitely like a brunch spot because they do have like an early closing time. But I was enjoying a plate of vegetables pretty much. It was like the greens plate. It had grains, avocado, asparagus, and a delicious ginger dressing. Okay, it's worth visiting the Neiman Marcus Cafe just for this delicious popover bread and strawberry butter. After lunch, we just did some browsing inside of Neiman Marcus. After Neiman Marcus, we headed to one of my favorite boutiques to shop, Dior.
Which one do you like?
here's the final selection. She ended up getting this wallet on chain and a pair of the Dior Dway sandals. So after our shopping trip, my friend surprised me with something from Balenciaga. These are my new sunglasses. So these are the Weekend Butterfly sunglasses by Balenciaga. I love the branding on top of the frame of the sunglasses, super unique. Also love this detail here with like the exposed handle on the inside of the frames. So this was a total surprise. My friend knew that I was eyeing these sunglasses and she picked them up for me, which was a huge treat.